Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with a video. If you guys don't follow my personal Instagram, which I do a lot of personal posts and Insta vlogging sometimes, I did post that I'm probably going to take a couple of weeks off of Plan With Me just because those 25 days affiliate videos really wore me out and I think I just need a little bit of a break, but definitely follow me over there for personal things. And then I also have what is it? SPC Plans is my planner Instagram, which I'll be posting the spreads that you will miss, which is just I think my Christmas and New Year's Eve. I know those are two of the biggest spreads, but y'all, I'm tired. But I decided to pop on here for a quick little haul because I've only went 3 times to Michael's, but I finally found the the Wonton in a Million. There's a couple different makers and this little, I don't remember what they called it, Dreams Come True or something line or something like that. I asked the one lady at Michael's and that's what she called it, but I couldn't find anything on here that called it that. But I was so excited to get these. I actually took a picture of that upside down, but they are by Parcraft Smith, which I've never heard of, but pretty excited about this. So I went to Michael's and I had to go to 3 Michael's to find it, but whenever I did, I think there was only a couple of things that were sold out. There was 2 foiled washies per creator, and the cherry blossom one was sold out, but I have a cherry blossom type one from her already, Cynthia, so I just picked up the macaron one. I also am trying to kind of cut down on my washi, so I only picked up that one. And then I picked up a couple of things from Shine Sticker Studio, which I've never heard of before. And then there was another one too, but that one was a little bit too kawaii for me. I mean, I don't know how I can say too kawaii for me whenever these are all dumplings with faces on them, but I'll show you guys all of that Shine sticker stuff last because I was so excited and mostly went for the Wonton in a Million stuff because you guys know I am friends with Cynthia and I love her oh so much. Let's go ahead and go through this. I do have it kind of separated into sections. So all of the items in this line I believe were $5. I'll go ahead, if I remember, and put a little picture of what it looked like here so you could kind of see how they had it separated. It was on an end cap, and a little hack. It didn't work for my first Michael's, but what I did was I went on to michaels.com, I typed in Wonton into the search, and then you can see her little items are not available online as of right now, and then I just clicked one, and then I clicked find a store that has it, and then it came up as in stock. My closest store said in stock, but I went and they had just scanned it. I think that was kind of an oops on their part, because I could also in that store ship to store, but I think it would have just been they would have took it out of stock, so they would have had to go in the back and dig it all out. But the other one that said that it was in stock actually had the items out and in stock, so I would definitely try that if you're not wanting to drive to a million Michaels without some kind of reassurance. But I'm pretty sure every item was $5, which is definitely a steal whenever you consider the prices of the products in these sellers' shops. These are manufactured items, so they aren't made by hand like a lot of these shop owners make a lot of their items in their shop. And I will say that the products that you're going to get from the individual shops will most likely be better quality, because they're not this highly mass produced, but these are still on a budget, a really good option. And just really cute because I'm a hoarder and I love Cynthia. So these are sticker books. So the stickers are not as thick as some stickers. I don't know if you're able to see. So I was worried they were going to be super thick, thickers, but I don't think that they're wildly thick. I feel if I used them in a spread, they wouldn't be wildly bothering me. And also they are on kind of I would say it's a matte, but a kind of a nicer matte. They are thicker than the Chrissy Ann Designs ones that I got. Those are more on a vinyl. But I was kind of curious. This is an Inkjoy gel that I would normally use. And then I'll also use my regular pen, which is a little thinner, which is the Energel Clena. But it'd be cool if I didn't have to use a different pen on these because I love to do a spread with these stickers. Oh, look at that! They did not smudge. So this paper is pretty awesome. Oh, I'm excited. So they got a good paper here. Like I said, they're not super thick. I would say that they're a good thickness for using in your planner without bulking it up. I know a lot of people don't like the thicker stickers like myself. So this was a $5 book. It's a weekly sticker kit. It has a bazillion stickers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages. It looks like 188 pieces. And then it kind of has a little example on the front here. So this one is called I'm assuming it's like birthday-ish themed. You have like a really nice like about on the back. So let's go ahead and go through this. So you have some full boxes here, checklists, half boxes, headers, some washi strips. This one's so cute. The print quality is really amazing and the cuts are really good. I love this scalloped washi here, and then this bottom washi. You have some icons. You have some half boxes, some check boxes, and these are very like Cynthia's style. I love this birthday washi here. The weekend banner is actually super adorable the way they have it cut out. Appointment labels, celebrate, just some regular boxes, some more washi strips, some boxes, some check boxes. These are really cute. Some more scallops, some checklists. I love the gold foil they picked on this, so it's super cute. Love that. It's so cute. Then if we move over, and these I believe all fit the Erin Condren, they look like they're the right size. Yeah, I would say yes, but let's just double check because I do not want to be wrong on this one. Let's see, let's take this one out. Yeah, they're the Erin Condren width, so normal size of a full box there. Let's go ahead and rip this up. But yeah, this is like a little bit thicker, but normal. Not a thicker. So that is really, really cute. Then I got this one, which is like the Besties, which is so cute. So you got like a different color scheme here. Is this the same kind of format? Looks like it's pretty similar. So I'll just flip through this one. This is so cute. I love this. Aww. It's adorable. So this is all one. This is really cute. I haven't actually looked at them. I just kind of went in and was like, oh, this is actually cut off here. That's okay though. Normally I don't use headers. Oh, so the whole page is cut off a little. That's all right. I'll figure it out. This is really cute. I love these. Oh, these are super cute. I can see using that just in a regular spread. That is adorable. So cute. Then this one is like macarons, which is super cute. Oh, I love this one. Ooh, this one's really pretty. I like the ombre in the background here. That's super cute. Ooh, look how sweet they are. And then you have these. This one's cut perfect. Should have checked that before I left, but that's all right. I'm super excited that you can write on them with gel pen. That's super cute. And I like these like white and gold and the little macaron checklist. That's adorable. Love that. And then there is also this one, which is the, what the heck is this called? They're like cherry blossoms. I always forget what they're called. Which is also super cute. And like the little ninja. So cute. I love the black accents in this. It's so fun. With the gold, of course. All of them have gold accents in them, which I am not mad about because gold is my favorite metal. Then I do have some of the sticker books here. So these ones have around like 300 to 400 pieces and probably about the same amount of pages. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages here. So that's pretty good for $5. Let's go ahead and go through these. So I think I got almost all of these. I think I just didn't get some of the other stuff maybe. I don't remember what I didn't get, TBH. But there was a couple things sold out. So this is the, I kind of wish they had like names. I know they have names online. I think this is like kind of more of like a travel themed one. So this one is super cute. So you have Japan, Hong Kong, and a bunch of different like bucket list items, and then the actual bucket list stickers, which are super cute, which you could totally use these for other things because there's like planners. There's one that you could totally use that for like Vegas. You could use that for going to a carnival. This one has London and Paris. Oh my god, they're so cute. And then this one is a cruise theme. Oh my god, we'll travel for tacos. Love that Bon Voyage. And again, they all have gold accents. San Francisco, which I'm actually going to, so I'm going to definitely use those. Texas, which I love Texas. Hawaii, which I really want to go to this year. Oh my god, I love this. And then we have Italy and New York, which I'm going to New York next week. You have a bunch of washi strips. And then there is just a general vacation one. This is so cute here. Cynthia, you should definitely bring this to shop in different colors. I would totally use this. Cynthia, we need this. That is so cute. I I love it. It's so cute. I'm definitely going to be using these in my planner, and I love that they're gold. Love that they're gold. This one is kind of looks more like a functional set here. So not every page in here has foil, but they're so cute. So like I said, this one looks more like a functional. You have some date dots, which are really cute. I'd kind of use these as countdowns probably. So cute. I also did pick up a bunch of stuff for Marg too, so I have like a pile of stuff to send her because I don't know if they're going to get this in Canada. This one looks like a money one. So this one says work hard for planner stickers. That's so funny. You have paydays, oops broke, haha, weekly budget, no spend, save money, shopping. Wait. Look at all these bills. No money, no dumplings. That's funny. Paydays. Oh, these little dollars are really cute. I think I should zoom in a little bit. Now that I'm halfway done, right? These are so cute. I like these. A lot of bill dues. Dang. Weekly budget. These are funny. So that is like the money one. And then it looks like there's a planner girl sticker one. So this one is super cute. And there's only one sticker sheet that was cut off. I love all the little gold hearts, those little deco pieces to fill like the empty space. Those could be really useful in anything. But only one sheet was cut off so far, which I feel like isn't a bad deal, especially at this price point. Like, you cannot go wrong. More of those hearts everywhere, so cute. And the little washi tapes. These are cute too. Washi Wednesday. Washi Addict, more stickers please. Sticker Addict. Oh my god, they're so cute. I love the little bows too that are cut out. Those are so cute. And then this one is, I think, a sweets one. So life is short, eat desserts first. Oh, this is so cute. And then you have some, you have a lot of stuff here. You have ramen, you have hot pot, you have dim sum, you have boba, meal prep, healthy food with takeout on the bottom, like Chinese takeout. It's funny. Dinner date, coffee date. These are super cute. I like that they're multicolor. You have pizza and burgers, fries and chicken wings. So cute. Oh, this is so cute. And then you have coffee. Oh, that's hilarious. So cute. I love these. I think they're so fun. Then other stuff that I got from Cynthia is I did get the die cut stickers. So we take these out. They're in a little pouch, which I'm definitely going to save because how cute is this? It's like a little like zip bag or like you know, bag. And it looks like there's multiples of each. So it looks like you get 1, 2, 3 of each. And they are just, it feels like kind of like a satin matte finish. And these all have like a pink red foil. And you get a bunch of each. Dang, you get 3 of each. So you get a ton of stickers. Dang, there's so many. How many pieces are in this? 37? It's an odd number. Do one of them only have 2? Oh, no, that makes sense. No, it doesn't. I don't know. Who knows? These are so cute, though. So I'm going to try and put those all back in. Doubt it's going to work. But those are so cute. I love the foil that it's like a pinkish red color. Then there was also a squishy little, it says planner charm, but this would be a massive planner charm. But look, how cute is this? I'm like obsessed, and I was obsessed with like squishies, like slow rise. Like, look at that. That's nice. I'll probably do it at Rog, but it's so cute. I'm gonna probably just like I'm probably gonna actually just cut this off of here just to have it as like a regular squishy and just keep it on my desk because I love squishing these things. But they're so cute. So I love that. I'm so excited about that. Then, what else did I get? I did get these little magnetic bookmarks, which I thought were really cute. They do have foil on them. They are pretty heavy duty, and I like that they're like raised here, which I thought was kind of cool. So that is what they look like. Then I also got the washi, which that was easier than it looked. There is this much washi in them, so there isn't a ton, but for $5 you get a nice like sampling of all of these, and I think these are really cute. I love the color saturation on them. I love this one here with the like scallops, and all the macarons are so cute, and I love like white washi with like, you know, like a design on it because I feel like that makes it very versatile. Then you have these little puffy stickers, which I thought were super cute for like TN setups and things like that. So they're puffy, super cute. And then I also did get these cards, which were a great deal. So have a wonderful birthday, besties, which is super cute. Thanks, a Wonton. You're on a roll. And then they come with the cutest little envelopes. So they're not just white envelopes, they're green with white polka dots, which I think could go really well with the designs. And then that was everything that I got from Cynthia. And then I also picked up some stuff from Shine Sticker Studio, which, like I said, I have never heard before, but I thought this stuff was so cute. I love the like rainbow hair on them. So I picked up these 4 sticker books. She did, like, they all had kind of the same type of things. Like, they had the same amount of like weekly sticker kits, the same amount of sticker books, and then like the same amount of like other items. So this all has hollow foil on it. I think the other one might have had silver, but I'm not 100% sure. But this is so cute with the hollow. So you do have the 2 different skin tones as well, which I think is really nice. Then you have some coffee, tea, brunch date. You have a bunch of different ones. I just thought the girl was really cute. Some of these, like, I probably won't use, like, the juice box, but they are cute. And I like the colors. They're kind of, like, bright, but still pastel, and the little, like, hollow sparkles on those. And then I got this one, which is kind of, like, I think seasonal. So you have, like, a summer sheet, a Valentine's Day sheet, a St. Patrick's Day sheet, a fall sheet, some gift tags, which is actually a super cute idea. Some winter ones, some Christmas ones, those are really cute. Then there's this one, which is a planner girl sheet. So you have ones that have different like planning time. These are cute. They're like little emotions. These are super useful. Love those. Then you have just a bunch of different random activities, some flags. I love these bows down the middle. Some ones with unicorns, some birthday ones, some washi, some weather. And then lastly, for the stickers, I did get this one, which I think is just random tasks. So you have cleaning, moving, laundry, girls on the computer. I think I bought this one majorly for the girls on the computer because there was a lot of them. Movie marquees. Then you have like trash, laundry, groceries. Again, I probably won't use a lot of these ones, but I really liked the girls on the laptop. They'll do with like a ton of hollow on the outside. So that is that one. And then I did also pick up the sticky notes. So this would look really cute and like a TN setup with these different ones. So that is everything I got at Michael's. Again, I would check, you know, if you have a Michael's on your way home, just pop in. But if you are like kind of far from one, I would either call or maybe just check the online and see if it's in stock at that Michael's before you run over. But I think it's super cute. And again, for $5 for each item, you're definitely getting a steal. And it's a cool way, if you haven't tried out any of these shops, to get some of their products. Again, I put the picture on the side, but there are 3 different makers in this collab, and I'll link all 3 of them down below so you can see their products. But I'm super excited for all of them, and especially Cynthia, because like I said, she is one of my closest planner friends, and I am just really excited to use all of these awesome goodies. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.